Hi, Sherry the Realtor here with EXP. Today I am going to talk about a great program I have to drive the value of your home up. It is called Fix and Sell. Did you know that according to the NAR, about 70% of millennials want to move in ready home? If you have a house that hasn't been upgraded in a while, like old linoleum flooring or an outdated kitchen and baths, or it needs a fresh coat of paint, no job is too small or too big for this company, like replacing windows or even mechanics of the house. The company will consult with you and me of the best upgrades to increase the value of your home. Then when we do list it, we can put it at a higher sale price to get you more money at closing. The way this works is there are no credit checks, no money you need to put out initially. We decide together what is to be done on your home. The partner will come in and do all the work. They also have a price match guarantee. They have all the trades and materials, so they are ready to go. They'll bring in the necessary trades to come in and do all the necessary work. If you have a friend or family member in the trade, they will match that price or use the trade. Whatever is more convenient, and they manage the entire project so you don't have to. The way it works is, again, no money out of your pocket initially, no upfront costs, no liens. The money will be taken out at the closing table. We are going to have an eye on how much more value we can put the house up for sale to get maximum equity in your pocket at the closing table. I look forward to working with you. My contact info is in this video, or if this is an ad, you can click on the link in video. We will get you started on the Fix and Sell program today.